Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 8th July. Welcome everybody to our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 8th July in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Practice is the philosophy of continuous improvement. Get a little bit better every single day. Now, let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1914 was Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1977 to 2000? Answer: Jyoti Basu. He is the longest serving Chief Minister of India. Question number 2. Which year on this day Montagu-Chelmsford Report was published, which formed the basis of Government of India Act 1919? Answer: 1918. Question number 3. Which Indian poet died on this day in 2003 is known as Padatik Kavi, whose book of 30 best known poems in English titled A Day is Breaking was published in 2014? Answer: Subhas Mukhopadhyay. His other notable poems are Chitrakuta, Agnikone, ए भाई, কাল মধুমাস, बंगालेर इतिहास. Question number 4. Which Indian Prime Minister initiated hydropower project at Bhakranangal on this day in 1954? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. Question number 5. Which former captain of Indian cricket team was born in Calcutta on this day in 1972, who had scored only 3 runs in one-day international debut against West Indies in 1990-91? Answer: Sourav Ganguly. He only scored 3 runs in one-day international debut against West Indies. So, after that, he was expelled from the team. But by his continuous effort, he again became the captain of Indian cricket team. So, if you are a beginner, never be afraid if you become unsuccessful. By your continuous effort, you can get your success one day. Question number 6. Which Portuguese explorer set up voyage to India from Lisbon with 4 ships and 170 people on this day in 1497 and reached at Calicut on 20 May 1498? Answer: Vasco da Gama. He is the person who discovered for the first time sea route to India. Question number 7. Which journal created by financial reporters Charles Dow, Edward Jones and Charles Bergstresser was published for the first time on this day in 1889? Answer: The Wall Street Journal. Question number 8. Which song by American songwriter Bill Withers topped the charts in United States of America on this day in 1972? Answer: lean on me and see if it does not lift your spirits even momentarily. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.